औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। ए अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा। वर्कबुक ऑफ साइंस ग्रेड 3 यूनिट 2 हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी। On workbook page number 18 of unit 2, today we will start week 5, which is start from workbook page number 18 of unit 2. So on workbook page number 18, think and write. Do you have a first aid kit at home? Unscramble the words and see if you have these in the kit. They were asking कि क्या आपके घर पे फर्स्ट एड किट मौजूद है. These are the things that should be in your first aid kit. We have to arrange these letters to find out what is this word, and then we will check that it is in our first aid kit or not. So सबसे पहले अगर हम लोग इस word को arrange करें, so it will be scissors, next cotton, bandage, this one is tape, and this is antiseptic. All these things are must be in your first aid kit. Do you know the immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor is called first aid? This is the definition of first aid. वो जो इमीडिएट हेल्प दी जाती है किसी भी इंजर्ड पर्सन को, फ़ौरन से उसकी जो बैंडेज वगैरह की जाती है, उसको फ़र्स्ट एड कहा जाता है. डॉक्टर से भी पहले, डॉक्टर के पास ले जाने से भी पहले, ताकि बहुत ही सिवियर इंजरी से बचा जा सके. Here is the oral project. Tell your teacher in your own words about the importance of getting enough sleep. एक कंप्लीट स्लीप की इम्पोर्टेंस जो है वो आपने बतानी है, एंड वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर ऑनलाइन क्लास. नेक्स्ट इज दिस साइन गिव्स अस वार्निंग. व्हाट मस्ट बी द वार्निंग अबाउट एंड व्हाट डज द साइन टेल यू माइट हैपन. दे वर आस्किंग अबाउट दिस साइन, दैट दिस साइन गिव्स यू द वार्निंग. वो वार्निंग किस तरह की होगी और इससे क्या हो सकता है, ये साइन हमें क्या बता रहा है कि क्या हो सकता है. सो अगर हम लोग इस साइन को देखें, इट शोज़ सम डेंजर. ऑलराइट, सो अगर कहीं पे ये रोड साइड पे लगा होगा, दैट मीन्स देयर इज़ सम डेंजर थिंग नियर, सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल. Now on the next workbook page number 18, cross puzzle. Solve the crossword puzzle. Which word do you get in the shaded column? So if we put first, here is nose. Alright, so first पे अगर आप लोग nose लिखें full, we have to write all the organs here as the sequence is given below by in the pictures, and then after wrote all the organs, we will get the word in the shaded column. So first one is nose, second one is ears, third are lungs, fourth is heart, fifth is tongue, and last one are eyes. So these are all the organs. Then if we see the shaded column, it is ORGANS, that means it is organs. So which word do you get in the shaded column? That is organs. So you have to write organs here also. Now on the next workbook page number 20, find the odd one out in each list. Explain your choice. अच्छा, ये 4 डिफरेंट लिस्ट दी हुई हैं. इसमें से जो भी ऑड वन आपको लग रहे हैं दैट आर नॉट मैचिंग from the other elements of the list, you have to circle that odd one. All right, so if we see the first list, number 1, chicken, lamb, beef, potatoes, salmon, coal. All these things are meat products, but potatoes are vegetables, so you have to circle this one. This is odd one here. Number 2, lettuce, spinach, cabbage, cheese, aubergine and okra. So in this list all these are vegetables, but this one is milk product which is cheese, so you have to circle this one. Third list is milk, yogurt, butter, cheese, bread, ice cream. So here all these things are made from the milk, but bread is the whole grain product, so you have to circle bread. Next is number 4, apples, orange, apricot, corn, plums and mangoes. So this is a list of different fruits, but corn is not from this list, so you have to circle corn. Okay, here is make a poster to tell people about the importance of keeping clean in order to stay healthy, and then share your findings with your fellows and teachers. So you have to make poster like this, in which you are giving the message to other peoples that be clean, be healthy. You must be clean, you must be take care of your cleanliness, and then you will be healthy. As you know, it's a pandemic time, so इस टाइम पे तो हमें ज़्यादा इस चीज़ का ख्याल होना चाहिए कि हमारे लिए क्लीन रहना, साफ़ रहना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो if we will be clean, then we will be safe. So be clean, be healthy. You have to make the poster for this. That means आपने एक चार्ट पेपर पे इसको एक प्यारा सा एक पोस्टर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. चार्ट पेपर पे इवन आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक के वाइट पेजेस पे भी प्यारा सा पोस्टर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Alright, so this was our today's lesson, and this was the video of week 5, and in this video we completed our unit 2, that is health and safety. So today we have completed our unit 2. In the next video we will start week 6 and we will start the new lesson. Till that, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.